In life, we must learn to classify, segregate, and let go. Yung mga naglalaba, naintindihan nila ito. Mas madaling maglaba kung hiwalay ang puti at dikolor. If you cannot segregate things in your life, your priorities, things you value most, it will be difficult for you to live a better life. You have heard this many times. When priorities are clear, decisions are easily made. Don't hate people because in their company, there are people you do not like. I always tell this to parents who are separated. Never inculcate anger in the hearts of your children against their father or mother because you are enemies with each other. Hindi kasalanan ng mga bata ang away ng magulang. Or perhaps you have heard this, will you abandon Jesus knowing that Judas is one of his company? Learn to classify, learn to segregate, so that you're able to let go of your biases and prejudices.